Welcome back to Julie's Bakes Cakes. I have a little helper in the kitchen today. This is Paxton and we are making what?
A Bluey and Bingo cake.
Welcome back to Julie's Bakes Cakes. I don't know about you, but Bluey the cartoon is on at my house constantly. I even love it. So of course we had to make a Bluey and a Bingo cake. My Bluey cake is a 6-inch cake and we had to make Bingo a little bit smaller, so she is a 4-inch cake. And all we did here, we just frosted Bingo a light orange, and Paxton helped me stack and fill, and then he helped me frost our Bluey cake. And then we obviously needed some fondant to make Bluey and Bingo's face. And all I did, guys, is just made a little bit of darker blue fondant and we cut out some ears. Then we did some orange fondant, we cut out some ears for Bingo, we did the same thing for both. We cut out some eyes. And a nose. I kind of just made the front of Bluey and Bingo's mouth. I'm not really sure how. All I did is just kind of just moved fondant around and made it look kind of like their little doggy mouth. And we just let these kind of sit out for a couple of days before so that they stand up and look really good on the cake. Now that Paxton helped frost our cake, it's time to make Bluey. We have these little blue fondant strips. We'll just put one here and one right across from it. And then we're gonna add her eyes. And I kind of push them right here. And then we're gonna add her mouth. Then she needs some eyebrows. Right, Paxton? And then we're gonna put her ears in. And there we have it. We have Bluey. Then we're gonna do the exact same thing for our Bingo cake. And there you have it, guys. We have Bluey, we have Bingo. They look so fun and so happy. Who else loves Bluey? Thanks so much for watching here at Julie's Bakes Cakes as me and Paxton made a Bluey cake
And a Bingo cake.
Have an awesome day. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.